Summer is here, and what better way to serve up some fun than a tennis theme party? Whether you're celebrating Wimbledon season or just the love of the game, we're sharing the perfect DIY details to make your summer party a smash. From centerpieces to party favors, these creative touches, they're effortless ways to make and bring the tennis theme home. Merchandiser for local boutique Salt and Honey, Shelly Kahatu, is here, and she joins me to walk through the details where we can recreate our own tennis party. Thanks for being here, Shelly.
Thanks for having me.
I mean, showstopper. I walked in and immediately did the, it's
wonderful.
So stunning. It's
Great.
so beautiful.
Thank
And
you.
these are all just simple things that you've fashioned into a party idea. Where did this inspiration come from?
Well, we have lots of tennis merchandise at Salt and Honey right now, and everyone's playing tennis these days, or pickleball, so we just wanted to jump on that trend and just celebrate with a tennis party.
You know what I love about this? I was telling you, we have some producers on our team who are tennis players, and this just speaks to their fun personality. I could see them doing this party, but this could also be like transitioned into other sports,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it can.
How would you do that?
So just instead of using the tennis balls, you could be using golf balls or baseballs if you're having an end-of-the-year banquet. So yeah,
Pickleball,
definitely.
so popular with our viewers. I love that, and this can translate obviously almost to any sport depending on what you're looking for. Tell me about how you created these platforms here.
Okay, so we just jumped on Amazon and bought a bulk box of, they're like decorative tennis balls because there's no logo on them, so that makes them extra cute. And just grabbed a hot glue gun and made each level, just gluing them together and keeping them straight. And you can have different sizes. We have a 3x3 over here, and then we also have a 4x4, so you can just make them any height, any width that you want.
And you even made a circle one for this cute centerpiece
So we made
display.
a planter, yeah, which is kind of fun. Just adds a pop of color and a little bit of interest on your tablescape.
Yes. Another way that I think, obviously, you could do this other ways, is just filling a simple, if you're not ready for the glue gun, if you don't quite want the glue, it's easy as just adding some to a clear vase.
Yes. Yes.
So, and then this one, obviously, you just did tennis balls, but you can go as big and bold as you want.
You can, yeah. And we just added some faux flowers in here just for some height.
Yeah.
But yeah, we use a lot of these cylinders at Salt and Honey for displays, so we just thought this would transcend to a tennis party table.
I love these. Tell us about these cute card placeholders up front.
Oh yes, so we again just took the decorative tennis ball and used a razor blade, cut it in half, and then made a little slit. And so they're name cards for the table, and just wrote the guest names on the cards.
Okay, so it's all in the details. One of the details I don't want anybody to miss is this grass runner going across the table. Obviously, so many applications. Tell us how did you think about this first? And then where do you get a slab of grass?
We like to add a lot of texture into our displays, and so this definitely does the trick. And we went to Home Depot and found this interlocking just sheet of artificial glass and just put it together.
Yeah.
So you can store it easily, bring it out for any party. Just a summer picnic would be cute.
Currently, I'm a boy mom, and everything that we do is sports themed and outside, and I can see this being an application for so many of our fun parties. One of the things, I am gonna be a girl mom. I don't know if I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, congratulations.
Thank you. One of the things that I also love is these charm bars. Tell us why you love these so much down here in the front.
So we have a charm bar at Salt and Honey. Pick it up.
Amelia, I'm just gonna show that.
And we have different metals you can use. We have hundreds of charms. So we just thought as a party favor, it'd be cute to have a charm bar at the party where the guests can grab whichever they want, a bracelet or a necklace, and then assemble the charms on them.
And what a fun party favor. One that you get to love and make on your own and then take home.
A nice keepsake from the party.
Oh, so fun. All of these details. Any other details we need to know on this table? What else do you love?
Well, yes. So we have a local artist print here, Beck Hansen, which adds a little bit of just interest and art to the table, as well as My Mind's Eye. They're a local paper goods company, and they have adorable tennis rackets. And again, they do have all different sports, but that just takes it up and elevates the table to another level.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I want to point out one time, obviously these adorable rackets. Tell me about these.
These rackets, so I have a vintage collection at home that we just pulled into the store, and one of our owners is very talented, and so she embroidered on them, and so you could put symbols, words. One says play, and so it just kind of adds a vintage vibe to the table and just makes it more interesting.
Oh, they're stunning. They're so fun. And that little bit of yarn string, the detail impact that makes is fabulous. Where can we find more from you? All of this information and beautiful inspiration, Salt and Honey.
So we have 3 locations, 9th and 9th neighborhood, Fashion Place in Murray, and at the Visitor Center downtown here in the Salt Palace. And we're also on Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, we can't wait. What fun inspiration. Thanks so much.
Thank you.